Hello, assalamu alaikum. So I bet you are seeing a fantastic screen in front of you, upon which is written OpenClaw. Below it is something fundamentally amazing. The AI that actually does things. So wasn't AI before doing things for you? Yes, it was writing essays for you. It was editing images for you. It was giving you solution of virtually everything about our lives. But what is now? Why is AI actually doing the things? Why is OpenClaw claiming that? So we are starting a journey of OpenClaw that has revolutionized the world of AI and has taken it on a storm because it has given AI the claws, the limbs, the hands it was long awaiting to grasp, to get a clasp on our PCs and do execute the things like a genie of Aladdin on just the uttering of our words or typing of our keys. So, are you with me in this exciting journey of learning how OpenClaw can change our life, can be a digital employee for ourselves, and make our technological experience far better than what the humanity has experienced till now? Thank you very much. Leave with me.